Don't skip this video, especially if you've been looking for a simple way to make money online, because in this video I'm going to be showing you guys real websites that pay you just to chat with people. No experience, no special skills, just your phone, the internet, and your time. Some people are making $50, $100, even up to $300 by doing this every single day just by replying to messages. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about legit ways to make money online, side hustles, and smart income ideas that actually work in 2026. Today we're talking about one of the easiest methods out there, getting paid to chat online. So let me break this down so you understand it clearly. There are platforms online where people are willing to pay just to have conversation. This could be for different reasons. Some people are lonely and want someone to talk to, some want advice or companionship, others just want casual, friendly conversations. Your job is quite simple. You sign up, create a profile, and respond to messages. Now here's how you get paid. Some websites pay you per minute of conversations, some pay you per message, and others allow you to set your own hourly rate. That means the more active you are, the more you actually earn. Let's start with platform 1. The platform 1 in today's video is Rentafriend.com. This is actually a website where people pay for companionship, not dating, just friendly interaction. And here's how to actually get started. Head to the site right now, Rentafriend.com, and then sign up. You can actually continue with your Google account to make the sign up process faster. Once you're done signing up, simply create a profile, add your photo, and then insert a very well detailed description about yourself. Now you can set hourly rates, so people actually charge from about $10 to about $50 per hour conversations. People will then contact you if they're actually interested in you, interested in your personality, interested in what you actually have to talk about in your conversations. And please understand that your profile matters a lot. This is actually something that deals with an online situation. So obviously, for someone to actually reach out to you to become a friend, your profile has to actually look very, very good. You need to use a very clear picture and write something friendly and interesting about yourself. Moving to the second platform in today's list is Cambly. Cambly is one of the best and clean platforms out there, where you basically get paid to talk to people learning English, and also you help them practice conversations in English as well. You don't need a teaching certificate. All you need is basically you knowing how to speak well in terms of English language, and then you get paid per minute of conversations. I really love this platform because it's 100% clean, high demand, and then the income is very consistent. The last platform on today's video is Premium.Chat. One major thing I love about this particular platform is the fact that you get paid based on what you know. A whole lot of people using this particular platform are people that are experts or people that have a lot of knowledge on several topics, and they use it as a medium to actually teach people, give advice, make suggestions to people's situations, real life situations in this scenario. So you actually have to set your own price in this particular platform. You charge per minute or per session. For example, if you're a nurse and you actually see people that are actually suffering through health issues, you can actually use this platform as a means of giving them advice or even helping them out in their health matters. Same thing applies to whatever it might be out there. It could be a car job, it could be a normal conversations about football, whatever you want. And then from here you earn through calls or messages. This is actually a great platform if you want to build a steady income over time. There are even a whole lot of people earning as much as $1,000 in this particular website. Now let me be honest with you guys, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is actually a method of making money that requires your activeness, and it also matters on how fast you reply to people's messages, your consistency, and how engaging your conversations are. But the good part is the fact that you don't even need any experience to start. All you have to do is to head to this website, sign up, and ensure your profile looks catchy enough for people to even reach out to you. And then from there you set your hourly rate and you can start having the conversations with people. Now if you actually want to maximize your earnings, ensure you stay online consistently, respond quickly to messages, be polite and engaging, and update your profile regularly. Keep updating your profile and see what actually works best. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because I'm posting more legit ways to make money online every single day. And I'll see you guys in our next highly informative video.